these sponsors, UAP and NCA officials, and to all the members of the Collegiate Press Corps, maalab na gabi sa ating lahat. Tulad ng mga nagdaang taon, simula ng umpisa nating idaos ito under a unified umbrella from the UAP and NCA media decades ago. Umulan na naman ng pagkalakas-lakas kanina, buong araw. Subalit sa kabutihang palad, saglit lang. Swak sa mismong awarding ceremony natin. I think this will be the first time na hindi tayo inulan sa mismong seremonya. Dahilan upang maantala or hindi makapunta yung mga nakaraan sa ating awards night. I remember one time, way before the pandemic, bagyo, and bilang lang sa delivery nakapunta. One of them was Robert Bolick of San Beda. Nag-motor siya, nag-angkas siya para lang makapunta ng awards. And thankfully, ngayon marami-rami tayo. Kada taon, dumadami. So, yun. But just like the old times, I think walang makakapigil sa masidhi na hangarin natin palagi na parangalan ng mga pinakamagagaling at pinakamaningning na student athletes sa coaches. Umulan man o umaraw. This year is no different as players, teams, and coaches shone bright and stood tall with equally great feats of their own. For the course of the UAP Season 88 and NCAA Season 101, we were all witnesses to that, and we will be once again tonight. This may be the Collegiate Press Corps or CPC Awards Night, but in reality, since day one, this is the Collegiate Players and Coaches Awards Night. Always has and always will be. So may we all, as the UAP, the NCAA, and each one of our schools, to continue to be a bastion of champions of glory, of excellence, and most importantly, sportsmanship and camaraderie. Umulan man o umaraw, sa loob man o sa labas ng court. So congratulations and best of luck to the upcoming season as we look forward to all of your schools to producing the next champions and next class of CPC awards. Thank you, mabuhay, and welcome.